In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Jobber website in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through the essentials of getting your website looking sharp and functioning effectively to reflect your business in the best possible light. Let's dive in. First, open up your preferred web browser and search for Jobber. Once you're on the Jobber website, the next thing you'll want to do is log in with your existing credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, go ahead and sign up to get started. Now that you're in, it's important to know that Jobber provides an intuitive dashboard to help you manage your business with ease. Direct your attention to the gear icon, which represents Settings. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, you'll want to navigate to the Website option under the Marketing section. By doing so, you're taken to the website customization page. Here, you'll notice a preview of your existing website on the left side, while on the right, you have various customization options at your disposal. Customizing your website is a crucial step in branding. Begin by updating your logo to make sure it represents your business accurately. Jobber allows you to manage this and your PDFs through the Business Profile settings. This is where you customize documents to align them with your identity, ensuring consistent brand presentation. Another important feature is customizing your request forms. To do this, go back into Settings, then click on Requests. This section lets you modify form fields, add descriptions, and explain your services clearly to potential clients. Tailoring these forms to fit your specific needs can enhance customer understanding and engagement. For those offering online booking, it's beneficial to customize your booking URL. Adding UTM tracking is an excellent strategy to monitor where your leads are coming from. This lets you assess the success of different marketing campaigns and make informed decisions on where to focus your efforts. Moving on to the Client Hub, it's essential to manage how your products, appointments, and requests are visible to your clients. Managing these elements ensures clients have a seamless and comprehensible user experience when they interact with your business online. A clear and straightforward interface is key to keeping your customers satisfied and coming back for more. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to effectively edit your Jobber website. By following these steps, you've tailored your website to better serve your business needs and provide a professional experience for your clients. Remember, regularly updating and maintaining your site can have a great impact on your business's online presence. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!